as that scene in the John Wayne movie, don't make me a dog-faced lion pony soldier. Well, we're going to win, and we're going to help. We have plans to build a railroad from the Pacific all the way across the Indian Ocean. Last summer, I had the honor of bestowing the Presidential Medal of Freedom. God save the Queen, man. It's one of the most significant achievements of union workers and retirees in over 50 years, and that's a God's natural fact.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
I think we're up to 85 hours, as he and I. 68 of them alone over a 10-year period, because when he was vice president.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
I also want to acknowledge the gentle lady from Georgia, Lucy Macbeth.
That's it. That's it.
The combination of the political appointees and the professional State Department personnel. You know, you got to take a message of thanks back to your teams.
What the fuck?
But I really mean it. It's because of you. Moms demand action. Big deal. All of it. No, I really mean it. I really mean it. I really mean it.
Boom, roasted.
What a fucking nigga.